Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see how we can see responses or result of our survey and then export the data in the format of Microsoft Excel. So first of all, I will go to my Google Forms using my Gmail, and here I have this form available with me which I have created earlier. And if I click on that form, you will see that there are 19 written along with that responses, which is telling me that I have 19 responses received against this form. And if you don't know how to create this form, you can see other videos of the same playlist where I have showed how to create a Google form and how to add different questions. So if I click on responses, there are 3 or 4 different options available. Let's go through them one by one. So the first one is summary. In summary, you will see responses of each person against a single question, and it is again separated by this line. So this was one question, question number one. This was the initial option where we asked our survey form to collect email IDs as well. And then this is question number two in a pie chart format, and these are the responses, and so on. So if you want to present this data, again, this form is available online. And if you want to present this data, all you need to do is just you need to open a blank PowerPoint slide or Keynote on your Mac, and you can delete these. And for the first question, it is gender related. I will just go over here. There is this option available as copy. I will click on copy, and then I will simply control V or command V, and it will paste it over here. So I can create more slides, and then I can copy all of my questions, like clicking by on this, and I'm now copying the second question, which is of age. I will paste it over here. So I can create a deck of PowerPoint slides which will help me to present my data to someone in the PowerPoint format. But what if I want my responses not in this format, and I just want to run it through my own analysis, or you can say different tool? There's another option that I can use, which is again Microsoft Excel. Before going to that, I can see summary of overall responses, and then I can see responses on the base of question as well. So for example, I select gender, I will see 10 responses were for female and 9 were for male. Similarly, if I go to the question number of age, this is the number of respondent and their selection. So I can view my results on the basis of questions as well. And the third option is individual. So now this is again based on, so on this base it will show the whole data or a whole filled form for a specific respondent or person. So this is for respondent number 1, and I have total 90 respondents, so I can see responses of different individuals. I can print this thing as well, so it will print the field form. Another option over here is this accepting responses. If I uncheck this thing, it will stop receiving more responses from the respondent. So if you have shared the survey link with a lot of people and you want to close your survey at 19, all you need to do is that responses, you need to click on not accepting responses. Another thing you will find over here is that interesting feature, which is something similar to Google Sheets. So when you click on this sheet, it will ask you with a prompt whether you want to create a new sheet or you have an existing sheet. So I have already created a sheet, that's why it will not show that option. So I will just click on that, and it will take me to a Google Sheet. On a Google Sheet, you will see there are responses in different columns based on the different questions. For example, I have asked these questions on a Likert scale, and you can see the first respondent selected disagree, the second one selected neutral. So it will just show my results in the form of Likert scale against each question, and the question will be in the heading like this. So now I have it in Google Sheet format. I want it in the Excel format so that I can use it for any other tool. Here is this option in file, and you will click on downloads, and then there are different options available. You can download it in PDF as well, but I will export it in Microsoft Excel. And when I click on Microsoft Excel, it will automatically download my file. And if I go to this, I will see the same file in Microsoft Excel format. So I can now run my analysis on this Excel file if I want to, and create pie charts or graphs over here, which I can show you in later stages. Or I will create another list for data analysis, or you can even import this sheet or export this data from here to any other tool like SPSS or any other analytical tool, and you can run your analysis over there. So this is how you see and you interpret and you present your Microsoft Google form uh, responses, and you can show it in the form of PowerPoint, and you can show it in the form of Excel as well. If you like the video already, please press the bell icon and try to follow my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you so much.